Welcome to HR Tech. Today we are going to see a very simple and very difficult to arrange in pivot table. For example, we have a lot of data. Usually we'll feel the issues like not able to get the duplicate values, difficult to arrange the tables in the table format. For example, it is a bulk data where a lot of duplicate data and not able to arrange in the proper table format after inserting a pivot table. And the values also usually we will keep on cross checking because of the pivot table, and it will not match the sometimes the value will match, sometimes the count will not match. So we are going to look at a simple example how to address these issues with very same employees multiple time and different dates, and how we can easily make a table for the proper without any duplication, without any cross checking. How can we use the simple table with the help of pivot table? You need to do just a very simple way. Go to insert and pivot table. So once select the data, you need to click OK. So usually what we'll do, we'll take a employee ID and the employee name in rows only. Then if you want date, you can make it date wise also. No, I need just amount means you can get a amount. Say. So is it possible to take the data from this file? Because employee number and the name and value and subtotal, lot of confused. You cannot take the value and overall total is matching, but you cannot produce the list. You cannot copy. For example, if you want to do a copy and paste, see, you will get like this. So every time you cannot do manual things, which employee ID, and again you need to do VLOOKUP for creating the only. If you take, for example, only I don't want a name, I only want amount only. So for addressing this issue, you need to go to design and report layout. You select as a show in tabular form. So now also we got this somewhat, it's a table format, but even we are getting each line, we are getting a total. So you just select the subtotal and do not show subtotals. That's all. So you got the list, and you can see, for example, few employees got in different values because they repeated and the duplicate employees. So anyway, we got a total of 1170. The value we can check 1170, and there is no duplicate here. The serial number 237, but serial number 234, but because of elimination of duplicate, we got the simple list. So this is the way you can comment if any doubt, or because it's a very simple method in pivot table. Most of the time we are not using this option, not only for this, because values we can do in some formula and we can get it easily, but for the count and all, it is very difficult, the repetition of the duplication. For that purpose we can use it. For example, if you want a repetition, who are all the, for example, this is that we can take as a late coming or some default list. Just you remove the amount, you can take the values, so you can count means it's a repetition. See, the same employee getting 3 times and some employee getting 1 time. So the repetition also we are getting the list. So this is a very simple method, And if you have any doubt, just comment. And if you like and if you want to share with your friends, you share it, so others also will get benefits. Thank you once again. Thanks for your support.